Okay, kids, here it is. The official AccuWeather Florida forecast. My backyard slowly but surely turning into a pond from Tropical Storm Hermine. It's a-pouring. I almost didn't make it to take the kids home today from school because Dave's not liking, I'm wiping the fog off of here, because Dave's not liking the water, so he's chugging down the road. But here we go. This is my driveway in my backyard. This is over by my neighbor's house, starting to flood up. More later. I'll let you know if we have to build an ark.